Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A34 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and now tap on block numbers. Here we've got the information that you will no longer receive calls or messages from this number, so just tap on block to confirm, and you've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked. You can unblock it here, but let me go back and let's enter another section. So here just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. And now in this general list we have to open blocked numbers. Here we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts, so as you can see the previous option works. What's more, here we've got this unknown option. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically we can decide whether we want to block the calls from all unidentified callers. Here we can also tap on add the number and simply enter the number manually, tap on block, and it will be immediately applied to the blacklist. If we want to, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.